Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, you will learn about the various concepts of economics in a short period of time. Let's start. Today we will do the numerical from revenue. Here, if our TR function is TR equals to 20Q minus 2Q square, it is given. Find the average revenue AR and marginal revenue MR at Q equals to 3 units of output. And it is given. So first of all, we have to write given as TR function TR equals to 20Q minus 2Q square, and we have to find out average revenue which watt MR equals to watt at Q equals to 3. So to find out the average revenue is equals to TR upon Q. That is, when total revenue is divided by the output, then the result we obtain is called the average revenue. So we know average revenue AR is equals to TR upon Q. AR is equals to, now TR is 20Q minus 2Q square upon Q. AR is equals to, now take the common Q from both these terms, Q inside 20 minus 2Q remaining upon Q. Now we can cancel out Q in numerator and denominator. Therefore AR is equals to 20 minus 2Q. Here the value of Q is 3 is given in the question. So put Q equals to 3 in AR is equals to 20 minus 2Q. AR is equals to 20 minus 2 multiply 3. Therefore average revenue AR is equals to 20 minus 2 3 is 6. 20 minus 6 is rupees 14 answer. Similarly, we have to find out the marginal revenue, and we all know that marginal revenue MR is equals to the derivative of TR with respect to Q. That means MR is equals to d by dq of TR, or MR is equals to d by dq of TR. In place of TR, write down 20Q minus 2Q square. MR is equals to, now separate these two terms, d by dq of 20Q minus d by dq of 2Q square, or MR is equals to, now this 20 is constant, it comes outside, 20 multiply d by dq of Q is 1 minus this 2 is constant, it comes out, multiply derivative of Q square with respect to Q is 2Q power 2 minus 1. Therefore MR is equals to 21 the 20 minus 4Q. Now at last we have to put the value of Q in MR. So put Q equals to 3 in MR equals to 20 minus 4Q. MR is equals to 20 minus 4 multiplied by 3. Therefore marginal revenue MR is equals to rupees 20 minus 4 3 is 12. 20 minus 12 is rupees 8, which is the answer. Therefore the marginal revenue is rupees 8 and the average revenue is rupees 14 at Q equals to 3. Thank you for watching my video. If you find this content useful, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.